ones, my Sky family. This is Miss Resty, your grade 1 homeroom teacher. As we finish this school year, I want to say thank you, and I am so proud of our grade 1 students. They have grown so much, learned, and become more confident. This year is a big milestone for me, as this is the first time ever for me being a grade 1 homeroom teacher. But the students are so adaptable, and we form this very special bond which makes teaching and learning easier. To our dear parents, thank you so much for your amazing trust and support for my first year leading this class. Over the summer, I want you to remind your kids to read and practice their English, and most importantly, let them rest and have fun. Have a good holidays!